Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install your low beam headlights made by AUXITO on a Ford F-150 2018. Let's get started. You're going to need some gloves and you're going to need a wrench. On my Ford, it's a 5.5 millimeter to remove our plastic cover right here that will give us access to our lights. Now you have to know that if you're doing low beams and you gain access to your lights, it's not the bottom one for your low beams, it's the top one. Now I know it's a low beam, but it's located on the top. Easy to pop out. We got our plastic covers. Boom. You're gonna wanna reach in and twist to the left, and look at that. Pops right out, guys. Then just take it off. Boom. You press down here and it snaps right out. This is our old standard light that goes into the Ford F-150, and now we're gonna replace it with our AUXITO light. And here's the socket size. This is the difference right there. But look at that design. Major difference. Original, our new design. All right, here we go. Let's change it. Real simple. Just reverse, grab the cables, and they should snap right back in. I always put the cables in first. Once you get in there, you twist in to the left, locked in. You put your rubber cover back up, and guys, you're ready to hit the road. Brighten up your drive. Get LED lights today.